Hello guys, welcome back to Random TV YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fake call to your friends, how you can call to your friends with a different number, and then also you can change your voice and you can call to your friend. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So now you can see here, this is the application. You can see here spoof card. So what you have to do is you have to go to download this. I will show you in the end of the video how to download this. You won't find this on Google Play Store, so I will show you how to do this. So guys, you have to click on spoof card, and then you can see here it's asking for sign up or login or Facebook. So let me just connect with my Facebook. So guys, after signing up, you'll find this interface. So now what you have to do is you can see here an option allows spoof card to access your contact. So just click allow, and then after clicking to allow, what you have to do is just click on the continue option. You can see here, just click on the continue option and click allow here. So now guys, it will redirect to you in this page. You can see here in this page. So what you have what you can do here is you can see here, you can see this option is for changing your voice while calling, and then again you can see here background noise. So let's check it out. You can use airport background, dog barking background, police siren, traffic, night location. There are lots of background in this options. Voice changer, you can see here male or if you're a male you can use female, and if you're a female you can use male voice. So now guys, the next is you can see here call record. So while talking you can record your call also, and then the next one is straight to voicemail. So you can give a voicemail also straightly, and then call using Wi-Fi. So you can use through Wi-Fi or whatever. So let me just continue and do this. So I have the on my you have to on your Wi-Fi, and then you have to click on this. You can see a number to call. So let me just type one of my number. You have to type one number here. You can any random number, and then after done you have to type here what number you want to display um on the victim's phone. So guys, this is how uh you can call fake call to someone. You can do anything with someone. You can prank with someone with a fake call, with a fake. Wait. I didn't show you from where to download this application. So guys, what you have to do is you have to go to your Chrome browser, and then after going to Chrome browser, what you have to do is you have to search for you have to search for SPW spoof card APK. So after searching this, just click here, and then you will find here spoof card change caller ID. So you have to click here, and then you can download it from Chrome browser. So guys, thank you once again.